This is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I've got a QGRY train here from Cartier Avenue on the bridge. This is the first time I've ever caught this on the bridge here, and this is pretty lucky. It looks like it's orange locomotives too. Might be. No, it's the Burlington Northern, ex-Burlington locomotives. This train heading north. Sorry, it's heading south. Heading towards the yard at St Luc, where it's going to interchange all of this with CP and then come back north later on in the day. Of course, Quebec Gatineau Railway is a subsidiary of the Wyoming group there. And they should have, or should, paint those locomotives in the orange and yellow and black of that group. I don't think they will, though, unfortunately. Yeah, Genesee and Wyoming, they definitely do have an interesting paint scheme. That paint scheme actually dates back to the 70s, I believe, when it was only one single short line in northern New York State. And there's the end of the train. Yeah, I'm guessing they're keeping it on that track because it doesn't get squeezed through on the gauntlet. Just keeps going straight. There it is, crossing the bridge. I could actually cross now. Yeah, Cartier Avenue is not really the bridge that you want to cross like I just did. It's usually a pretty busy avenue. There it goes. It just passed Boulevard des Prairies, and we'll be crossing Gouin on the other side there, on the other side of the bridge. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day. It's slow, isn't it?